What's up guys, I'm not gonna waste your time, so let's get into it. We have some objects you can see and we are going to combine them together. So we have two methods to do that. First of all, we can go to the window, open up Pathfinder and simply just merge it all together, or cut out some parts, or blah 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 blah. But personally, I don't use it and I don't like it. So that's why I'm gonna introduce you to the magical shape builder tool. We can click and drag to connect any part we like to be connected, like this. Or we can press Alt and click on any part we don't like to be in our project. Or we can click on any object and do this. That's cool, right? That's it. I'm not gonna ask you to leave a comment or subscribe or I don't know. But maybe you are gentle and nice and you do it by yourself. I appreciate it. Goodbye.